How do you track the progress? Like, how do you know you're making steps towards the goal?
If it's a goal that you don't necessarily know how you're going to get there, for me, it's just about learning and getting better as I'm working towards whatever it is I'm working towards, right? So I've been in the car business for 15 years, and each and every day I'm getting a little bit better at buying cars, a little bit better at managing, a little bit better at being an owner. How's that possible after 15 years to be growing still? I think it's one of the only reasons I haven't gone out of business. I mean, if you look around here at least, I mean, there's dealerships closing every day. I think one of the reasons I haven't gone out of business is because I'm constantly learning. Every day I'm getting better.